What is up, guys? Back here with another video. This video is going to be about how to make a YouTube channel 2018 by Skullface TV Epic. Now, the first thing that you need to do is come up with a reason. The first reason will be, why do you want to start your YouTube channel? And 2, list some reasons why on a scratch piece of paper. Now, this is really important because you just don't want to make it like a YouTube channel without knowing like what you're going to do, what you're going to post, what you're going to basically like what your viewers going to come back to see. So that's number 1. Number 2 is ideas. You need some ideas to know what you want to post about or what you want your channel to be about. The ideas could be about BMX, fishing, makeup tutorials, or anything really. Some channels, such as like Logan Paul, Jake Paul, really about anything. Well, it's about their life, but no specific manner. So you really don't have to pick that, but if you want to, you can. So number 3, social media. You need to make people aware that you're starting a YouTube channel. This does not mean to force to force people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, but post about it on your social media and tell friends. And that will it's not going to get you a whole bunch of subscribers at once, but it will help out to make your channel people aware about your channel. Number 4, posting your first video. You have to keep in mind that success does not happen overnight. You have to give it some time for people to recognize your channel. And also, don't forget, just don't give up. The more content you make, the more likely someone will click or see it or click on your videos. Now, obviously, I have been producing YouTube videos for 2 years, and my channel did not take off till this year. And I thought I have to admit that during my first year, I gave up on it a lot, and then I come back to it. It really does not make any sense, but now I have 830 subscribers at the moment of this video, and I see new subscribers popping up every day, and I'm very thankful for that. But like I said, you just have to give it some time. So number 5, your thumbnail. This will be the first thing that everyone sees on your video. I will put a link on my video on how to make the thumbnail. I have already made a video about this and everything. So if you want to go check that out, it'll be on the top right in a little card. And that's it. So if you want to go over of how to make it again, remember that first you need a reason. Don't forget to write something on a scratch piece of paper and why you want to start the YouTube channel. Number 2, ideas. You need some ideas. That way you don't run out of ideas. And people, if your channel is like a how-to video or something, they'll come back to it because they want to know how you do stuff and how you set up your own programs. So don't forget to post it on your social medias. That'd be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. But you need to make people aware about your channel. And remember, everybody has some friends, so you can go tell them to subscribe to your channel. Just remember, don't force your friends or anything. Number 4, posting your first video. Success does not happen overnight, and you have to give it some time for people to recognize your content or your channel. And don't give up no matter what. Everybody could be a YouTuber. Well, not everybody, but if you really set your mind to it, then you could really be a YouTuber. Your thumbnail. This will be the first thing that everyone sees on your video. And like I said before, I will be putting a link to the video on this video. So that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And that's it.